Hello guys, this is Max from Accolmile, and today we are talking about how to determine whether your bike is suitable for our hub motor or not. Today I want to talk about how to choose the appropriate hub motor for you. As you see, we have a big range of different hub motors. Rear, front, for fat bikes, for city bikes. So how to choose? First, this diameter of the wheel. Bicycles have different wheel diameter. Most often we receive requests from customer about 20-inch, 26, 27.5, 28, 29 wheels. And to determine this, you can check diameter on your tire or search more information about your bike in the internet. The next step to find out which type of hub motor most suitable for you. I'm talking about front wheel or rear wheel. And then you need to check what kind of axle do you have, eccentric or through axle. If the axle is eccentric, then there is no problem. If it's through axle, then you should install mid-drive motor. Next, determine the diameter of axle. Hub motors have different axle diameters, like for example 10, 12, 14 millimeters. If the axle fits you, then it's good. The next step is to identify the distance between dropouts on your bike. Usually for rear suspension, for rear fork, it can be 135 millimeters. For front fork, it's kind of 100 millimeters. But also can be 152 millimeters for MTB bike and 175 millimeters for fat bike and big range of other sizes. But basically it's 135 millimeters for rear motor and 100 millimeters for front motor. So basically we cannot use front hub motor for rear fork. Take a look here, just not suitable and you cannot screw it. One of the most important things before you choosing the hub motor is to determine whether you have freewheel or cassette. This is necessary to choose the right motor for your transmission. How to determine this? First method, just count amount of gears which you have. Usually freewheel has 7 gears or less, but cassette usually has 8 gears or more. The second method is determined just by how it looks like, by screws, by appearance. You can check more detailed information in the internet. Rim brakes or disc brakes. When ordering a hub motor with a rim, you must check whether this is a brake disc, could be mounted on the motor. And if you have V-brakes, then check whether there is a place on the rim for brake pads. It makes no difference if you have hydraulic or mechanical brakes. That is only important when choosing the brake sensor. And finally, from experience, it is not possible to put the hub motor in few cases. First, if you have through axle on your wheel. Second one, if you have internal gear hub and then you cannot install rear hub motor and at the same time save your gears. And third one, if you have a foot brake, so it couldn't work. Guys, for example, you cannot install hub motor on this frame because, as you see, here we've got through axle, so it's not possible to adjust hub motor over here. So guys, thank you for watching us. Subscribe to our channel, push the like button below, and I'm waiting for your comments. So see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.